Okay.
You guys look so nice. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you, Zoe. What we doing?
Know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close. Let's close. Don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Go ahead and put that thing in the I want you to ride.
Okay, let's talk about the Union Jordan 1 Storm Blue, what was that, Quick Strike or NRG, whatever, but this is like the third time I did this shoe. I really like this shoe. This Jordan 1 is actually in my top 5 of Jordan 1s of all time, and I just kind of fell in love with them when I seen the color scheme, kind of like the black ones more. Here's the first video I did. It's funny that I did this video indoors, and I never, ever do videos indoors besides this portion. And this is another one I've done. I was freezing. I'll never do this again. It was really cold out there, and I was like, you know what, after this day I'm never doing that again. It just didn't make any sense. But I don't know, I was a little younger back then. The cold didn't bother me as much. But again, we got the Storm Blues, and this pair looks really good. I'm glad that they still take the time to make these, because these were really nice, and they've been out for a while. So I think since 2018. And when they originally dropped, I was totally oblivious to them. And I don't think I liked them until I started to see other people review them. And when they had the gold laces in them, which I'm past the phase of the golden laces, which still looks good. I just think, for me, I got through it. But man, when I first got these, it was the yellow laces in them immediately. Even when I got the black toes, I put yellow laces in those. It's just something about it. But as you saw, like in the on foot, I did one with the half and half and the other with the half and half. I thought that was pretty cool. And taking a closer look at these, let's see. The upper looks pretty clean. The swoosh looks the appropriate size. The stitching looks good to me. I know that can be all over the place sometimes. Tongue looks great. Tongue looks like the appropriate color. Stitching on the back, I don't really know. It could be questionable. It might not. When these things are on feet, you don't really pay attention to that stuff. And one thing I've noticed, like psychologically, when you own these shoes, the longer you own them, the less you care about what could be wrong with them. And looking here, I don't see anything wrong with these. You guys let me know if there's something wrong. There's the piping around the shoe. I know that's supposed to look like that. So I don't know. It's just a beautiful sneaker, and I'm glad to have it for a third time. I actually did not keep this pair. There goes those gold laces I was talking about, or yellow, whatever. But I don't even actually have a pair at this point. Well, no, yeah, I do. I have one more pair somewhere, but I really want a pair of black toes. And the person that was nice enough to send me these, he also sent me these, which were really nice, and these were really nice too. And I no longer have both, but they're beautiful sneakers. But as far as the Unions, again, it's in my top 5. If they were like, hey, we want to send you another pair, I'd probably say yes, but I really want a pair of black toes again. Won't go the gold laces. I won't do the half and half laces. I probably just put regular white laces in them. To me, they look the best like that. But let's pull out the black light really quick and see what we got. I doubt that we have anything, but let's just take a look. And as you can see, there's nothing on them. Everything checks. Wait. What was that? Is that a stamp? Okay, it's not a stamp. It's just one of the ink splots, I guess. But shoes clean. If I were to rate it by concept, I'd give it a 10. Quality, I'd probably give it a... I don't really know where to put it as far as quality, because they passed the eye test, so I'm just not really sure. But I do know they look beautiful. And I do know that I got to go, because I got to make another video, unbox some more stuff. Peace, love, and light. I'm out, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Follow me on IG. 1.